289 divided by 7. First, draw your 3 boxes for your 3 place values that you have. Then we're going to label our place values with the hundreds, tens, and ones. Our 7 goes on the side, 289 goes on the inside, and get your multiplication facts if you need them. We also need to write down our steps for division: divide, multiply, subtract, repeat, and check. So let's start with our first step of divide. We'll start by dividing in the hundreds place. We have 2 babies and 7 people. Or C, what's the closest we can get to 2 without going over? Well, we can't share 2 babies between 7 people equally, so everyone would get 0. So then we would multiply. 0 times 7 is 0. When you subtract, you still have 289. Now we'll move on to our next place value because we're ready to repeat. Back to divide. We are in the tens place, but we had some leftovers from the hundreds place. So now we have 28 babies that we're going to divide between 7 people. So let's look at our multiplication chart. The closest we can get is 28. We got that by skip counting 4 times, but really that's 40. Multiplying 40 times 7 is 280. When we subtract, we're left over with 9. That will take to our next place value, the ones place. So the closest that we can get to 9 without going over is 7. That was only skip counting 1 time, because 1 times 7 is 7. When we subtract, we have 2. Do we have any place values to repeat with? No, we sure don't. So let's check. Is 2 smaller than 7? Yes, it is. That means that 2 is our remainder. So we have a 0 in the hundreds place, a 4 in the tens place, and a 1 in the ones place. And we don't need that 0 at the front because it doesn't have any value. So your answer is 41 with remainder of 2.